Children, thought of the day, time is money. How is that true? In fact, time is more important. We can never make up for lost time, so we should never waste it. Today, we are going to discuss Chapter 12, Our Clock in this video. We will study 12-hour clock here. The clock dial is divided into 12 equal parts. So, 12 numbers are written on the dial. The smaller hand is the hour hand. The longer hand is the minute hand. Here, in the first clock, the hour hand is at 12. The minute hand is at 12. So, the time is 12 o'clock. In the second clock, the hour hand is between 12 and 1 and the minute hand is on 6. It is 12:30. This means half an hour after 12 o'clock. In the third clock, when the hour hand is just past 12 and the minute hand on 3, the time is 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12. In the fourth clock, when the minute hand moves to 9 and the hour hand moves closer to 1, at this time, a quarter of the dial of the clock is left for 1 o'clock. That means there are 15 minutes left for the minute hand to reach 12 for it to be 1 o'clock. So it is called a quarter to 1 or 12:45. Here, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, quarter hours equal to 15 minutes, half an hour equal to 30 minutes, 15 minutes past means quarter past the hour, 15 minutes to means quarter to the next hour. There are 12 equal big divisions and 60 small divisions in the clock. There are 5 equal small divisions between two successive numbers. Each big division is an hour and each small division is a minute. Each big division is equal to 5 small divisions, so we actually say the table of 5 while counting minutes. When the minute hand is on the right hand side of the clock, that means minute hand on 1 to 6, that means red colored area of the clock, we talk about minutes past the hour. But when the minute hand is on the left hand side of the clock, that means after 6, which is yellow colored part of the clock, we talk about minutes to the next hour. Here in this clock, hour hand is between 5 and 6. Minute hand is at 7. So time is 35 minutes after 5 o'clock. The minute hand will take 25 minutes to reach 12 for the time to be 6 o'clock. So the time is also read as 25 minutes to 6. There are 12 hours marked in clock and the day has 24 hours. So we actually read the clock twice a day. 12 o'clock in the night is called midnight and 12 o'clock in the day is called noon or midday. We write it as 12 midnight or 12 noon. The hour hand completes first round of the clock in the AM time, that means midnight to noon. And the second round in PM time, that means noon to midnight. Time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is AM. Time from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight is PM. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. In the beginning of the new year, we bring a new calendar for our homes and offices. A calendar gives us information about the days in a year. It tells us the day of the week and the date. It also tells us about Sundays, other holidays, and of course our birthdays. A year has 12 months, 52 weeks, and 365 days. A month has 30 or 31st days. Some months have 31st days and some have 30 days, and February has 28 days. A leap year has 366 days. Every fourth year is a leap year. February has 29 days in a leap year instead of 28 days. Children, do you know how can we find out leap year? Yes, it is very simple. We divide the last two digits of a year with 4. If the remainder is 0, then it is leap year. Now, fortnight equal to 14 days, decade 10 years, century 100 years, 1 week 7 days. After 25 years, silver jubilee, and after 50 years, golden jubilee. Children, we can calculate the time. We can also calculate the time in months, weeks and years. So, always remember these things and practice. Thank you.